Hey everyone, I'm just stopping in to make a little mini video about what I've been doing with my diet. I have a very good friend, her name is Janita, and she helps me with my nutrition, which is really important for my motor neuron disease. So I was diagnosed with motor neuron disease almost 1 year ago, so I've had it diagnosed for 11 months, and I believe I've had it for about 2 years. So I've been using the Perfect grass-fed, so the brand is called Perfect Australia, Perfect Supplements Australia, sorry. And I've been using the hydrolyzed collagen, and Janita puts it through all my smoothies, and she makes me jellies and also soups, all pure organic. And she uses this, and what this does is it helps with it gives a lot of protein and helps my muscles work a lot better. With motor neuron disease, the nerves die, and because the nerves die, the muscles also die. So it's helping me keep my muscles a lot stronger and work on the nerves and muscles. And we are also using the Perfect Bovine Gelatin, and this one is amazing. I have another condition, chronic keloid scarring, and my scars have reduced tenfold. They look completely different. I can even add photos to my Instagram later if you like, but this one has been amazing for my skin and also gut health. So gut health has been really important in what I'm trying to do to keep myself really healthy, so that this horrible disease, which is terminal, which may give me 2 to 3 years to live, I'm hoping with my diet to change that fact and to live a lot longer. So thank you, Perfect Supplements Australia, for these two things, and we are really happy and doing really well so far. So thank you. Okay, see ya.